Welcome to Future Human Science, where we explore the cutting edge of technology and science. Today, we're diving into a topic that's transforming various aspects of our lives: drones. From revolutionizing delivery services to playing a critical role in disaster relief, drones are reshaping how we interact with the world. In this video, we'll explore how drones are changing the world, their current applications, and what the future might hold for this exciting technology. Let's start with a brief overview of what drones are. A drone, or unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV), is a flying robot that can be controlled remotely or operate autonomously using pre-programmed flight paths or artificial intelligence. Drones come in various shapes and sizes, ranging from small, hobbyist models to large, industrial-grade systems. Their versatility and advanced technology have made them valuable tools across numerous sectors. One of the most talked about applications of drones is in delivery services. Companies like Amazon and UPS are pioneering the use of drones for package delivery, aiming to revolutionize the logistics industry. The idea is simple. Drones can deliver packages quickly and efficiently, bypassing traffic and reaching remote areas that might be challenging for traditional delivery methods. This could lead to faster delivery times and lower costs for consumers. In practice, drone delivery services are still in the experimental stages in many areas, but they are making significant strides. For example, in some parts of the world, drones are already being used to deliver medical supplies, such as vaccines and blood samples, to remote or underserved regions. This application of drone technology has proven to be a game changer in improving access to critical health resources and saving lives. Another major application of drones is in disaster relief efforts. Drones are increasingly being used to assist in emergency situations, such as natural disasters and humanitarian crises. During disasters like hurricanes, earthquakes, or wildfires, drones can provide real-time aerial footage that helps emergency responders assess the situation, identify damaged areas, and plan their response efforts. For instance, after a major earthquake, drones can be deployed to survey the affected areas, capturing detailed images and videos that help rescue teams locate survivors and assess damage. In the aftermath of wildfires, drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras can detect hotspots and help firefighters target their efforts more effectively. This rapid and accurate information can significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of disaster response. Drones are also making their mark in agriculture. Precision agriculture is a growing field that uses technology to optimize farming practices, and drones play a crucial role in this process. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can capture detailed images of crops and monitor their health. This data allows farmers to detect issues such as pest infestations, nutrient deficiencies, and irrigation problems early on, leading to more informed decision-making and better crop yields. In addition to monitoring crop health, drones can also be used for tasks such as planting seeds and applying fertilizers or pesticides. By using drones for these tasks, farmers can reduce the amount of chemicals used and minimize environmental impact, while also improving the efficiency of their operations. The construction industry is another sector that is benefiting from drone technology. Drones are increasingly being used for surveying and mapping construction sites, providing detailed aerial views that help project managers and engineers plan and monitor progress. With the ability to capture high-resolution images and generate 3D models, drones can streamline the planning process, improve accuracy, and reduce costs associated with traditional surveying methods. Furthermore, drones are being utilized in infrastructure inspection and maintenance. For example, inspecting bridges, power lines and pipelines traditionally requires specialized equipment and can be dangerous for human inspectors. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can perform these inspections more safely and efficiently, capturing detailed images and data that help identify potential issues before they become critical problems. In the realm of environmental monitoring, drones are proving to be valuable tools as well. They can be used to track wildlife populations, monitor deforestation, and assess the health of ecosystems. By providing detailed and up-to-date information on environmental conditions, drones contribute to conservation efforts and help researchers make more informed decisions about managing natural resources. As with any technology, there are challenges and considerations associated with the widespread use of drones. Privacy and safety concerns are significant issues, particularly with the increased use of drones for surveillance and monitoring. Ensuring that drones are used responsibly and in accordance with regulations is crucial to addressing these concerns and maintaining public trust. Additionally, there are technical challenges related to drone operation, such as battery life, range, and weather conditions. As drone technology continues to advance, researchers and engineers are working on solutions to these challenges, including developing more efficient batteries, improving navigation systems, and enhancing the robustness of drones in various environmental conditions. The future of drones is promising and full of potential. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications and improvements in drone capabilities. Advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning will enable drones to perform increasingly complex tasks autonomously, while advancements in communication and navigation technologies will enhance their reliability and versatility. In conclusion, drones are transforming various sectors and offering new possibilities for how we approach tasks and solve problems. From revolutionizing delivery services to enhancing disaster relief efforts, improving agriculture, and advancing infrastructure inspection, the impact of drones is far-reaching and significant. As we continue to explore and develop this technology, it's exciting to imagine the future applications and innovations that will shape our world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of how drones are changing the world. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest advancements in technology and science, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from future human science. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology with us.